How to get $100 PetSmart promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in PetSmart promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is a legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for PetSmart. Just scroll down and check out the offers: 40% off, $20 off, $50 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Copy the code and click on redeem at PetSmart. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website of it, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for PetSmart. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. You can also check out any of these websites, as all the website will provide you promo code for PetSmart. So this way you can easily get up to $100 working promo code for PetSmart. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.